In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add a search app to your Wix website. Adding a search app to your site allows visitors to easily find the content they need. This can enhance the user experience and keep people returning to your site. Let's get started. To begin adding the search app, navigate to your Wix website editor and look for the Add Apps icon, represented with a plus symbol, on the left-hand menu. Click this icon to open the App Market. The Wix App Market has a variety of useful apps that you can add to your website. In our case, we are looking for the Wix Site Search app. Type Wix Site Search into the search bar of the App Market and press Enter. The Wix Site Search app should appear in the search results. Click on it to get more details about the app. Don't hesitate to confirm by clicking Add to Site. You might have to approve by clicking Allow, and finally confirm by clicking Add to Site again. But don't worry, it's a simple process. Once the app is added, you'll notice a search bar has appeared in your website's header. Additionally, a new search results page is created automatically. Now let's customize that search bar to match your website's look and feel. Click on the search bar to select it. Once selected, click on the Settings option. Within the Settings tab, there is an option to customize the default placeholder text. This is the text that appears in the search box. For instance, if you have an e-commerce site, you might want to use the placeholder text, Search for Products. To change the search bar's appearance, click the Design and Layout icons. These options allow you to manipulate the search bar's colors, fonts, and icon placements to better match your website's aesthetic. Next, let's customize the search results page. This is where the user will be taken when they perform a search. To do this, navigate to the Pages and Menu in the editor and select the Search Results page. Click on the Search Results element on the page and then click on Settings. This will open a new set of options. In the Settings tab, you can specify which content types will appear in the search results. For example, you can enable blog posts, products, or events based on your preference. Additionally, you can adjust the order of these content types using the Reorder tab. The Display tab offers options to show or hide the All tab, enable a search bar on the results page, or change the placeholder text. Finally, it's time to share your updates with the world. Click the Publish button, located in the top right corner of the editor. This will make your changes live on your site, and your visitors can now use the search bar. So there you have it, step-by-step instructions on how to add a search app to your Wix website.